Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gita Asriani with my number ID A1M222075. Okay, I will tell tragic love story at Tumburano waterfall. Long ago, on top of a mountain above the Tumburano Falls was the ancestral home of the Wawani people. There once was a couple who took their own life because love was denied. It is said that Duru Balebula is a man, while Wulang Kinokoti is his lover. It is said that Wulang Kinokoti has an incomparable beauty until finally Duru Balebula fallen in love the first time they meet. As the days go by, Duru Balebula declares his love for Wulang Kinokoti, which turned out to be Wulang Kinokoti, who has also fallen in love Duru Balebula. But their love was not approved by both of Wulang Kinokoti's parents. So, the parents of Wulang Kinokoti began to look for ways to separate them. One morning, Wulang Kinokoti was ordered to take care of the kitten that was temporarily crying, while her parents went to the garden. Because of the fun of telling stories with Duru Balebula, Wulang Kinokoti forgot to leave the garden when it rained. Wulang Kinokoti's parents were furious and swore that they would never approve of their love, because they were disappointed with the attitude of the two parents of Wulang Kinokoti. They were both desperate to fall into the Tumburano waterfall. Okay, that's my story. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.